What is the definition of accessibility? People often have a different understanding of what it means, but here, accessibility equals inclusion. So let's take a deeper look. Welcome to Expert Zone. Today we are going to show you some of the Windows 11 accessibility features that can empower every person with no exceptions to achieve more. These awesome features are designed so they can be used by anybody that might require them, whether you have a permanent, a temporary, or situational accessibility need. And you know what? These features work so well, you might find yourself using them all the time. Now, here are two of the quickest ways to access the accessibility features. The first is on the bottom of your taskbar where you see the battery life icon, your speaker volume, or your Wi-Fi connection. If you click on these three symbols, quick settings will pop up just above them, and you should then see a box with a person inside of it with accessibility noted just underneath it. Alternatively, press and hold Windows and hit the U key, and you will have all of those features available right there on the screen. So now that we know how to access these accessibility settings, let's take a look at 5 different features that can empower you to achieve more. First up, we have Magnifier. Did you know that in Windows 11 there is a built-in magnifying glass that enlarges words and images? And with customizable settings, you can use it as all or just part of your screen. To move around your screen, simply move the cursor as if you're using your mouse normally, or if you're using a touch screen, you can simply touch the screen and you will then see bars appear around the edge, and you can tap the bar for the direction you would like to move. Also, you can tap the plus symbols in the top corners and the minus symbols in the bottom corners to zoom in or out. If you do not have a touchscreen, you can simply zoom in by pushing the Windows and the plus key, or zoom out by pushing the Windows and the minus key. You can also use the Windows and plus key together to access the magnifier. Next, we have color filters. Color filters allow you to boost contrast or get rid of color completely. Now, when I say completely, it won't erase it from your device forever, but it will remove it from the visual color palette of your device until you switch it back on. Now, to find the best color settings for you, head to Settings, select Accessibility, and select Color Filters. Now, once you have selected which color filter suits you, you can toggle these on and off in quick settings. So why would you need to use color filters in the first place? Well, simply put, they can help with color blindness, light sensitivity, and visual preferences. Moving on to sticky keys. This is a way of using keyboard shortcuts without having to use multiple keys. For example, the keyboard shortcut for copy is Control and C together. And to access Task Manager, you would have to hold Control, Alt, and Delete together. Now, this isn't always possible if you can't use your fingers due to an injury or disability. So by switching sticky keys on in quick settings or pushing Shift 5 times, the Control, Alt, Shift, and Windows keys become, well, sticky, meaning you can press one of these keys and release it, and then push the next key you want to use. Easy. On to our 4th accessibility feature, we have mono audio. Now, mono audio takes stereo sound and puts it into one balanced track, so you can get exactly the same left and right audio in your speakers or headphones. This is great for someone that might have partial hearing loss or someone that is deaf in one ear. Another quick audio setting is the option to flash my screen. This is where instead of getting an audio notification, Windows will flash your screen to notify you instead. Very handy. Now, last but definitely not least, we have Narrator. So Narrator lets you use your PC to complete common tasks without even looking at the screen. So if you are blind or have low vision, Narrator reads and interacts with things on the screen like text or buttons. This means you can read and write emails, browse the internet, and work on documents, all with the help of your own epic soundtrack. You can also customize generator voice speed, speech pitch, and volume. The Narrator experience is completely customizable to the user. Again, to access this, head on over to Quick Settings or use those hotkeys Windows, Control, Enter, and let Narrator do the talking. So there you have it, 5 great accessibility features from Windows 11, and the best part is, Well, they all come pre-built into Windows 11. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates, overviews, and how-to content, and let us know what accessibility features you use or would like to know more about. Thanks for watching.